My name is Terry Meister. I'm a Controls and Robot Manager here at AMT Applied Manufacturing Technologies. AMT has been bringing together best-in-class technologies and custom automation to provide high-quality, cost-effective automation solutions for over 33 years. We serve many different industries, such as aerospace, automotive, end-of-line solutions, advanced material handling, thermal forming, just to name a few. We also have a services department with over 80 engineers ready to assist with your needs for engineering support. If you have a need for automation or just want to discuss automation options, we're here at AMT. As a company, our biggest strength is our culture. We hold it near and dear to our heart. Our focus on the employees and customers' needs and goals allow us to have the best team available and give our customers the best systems and services our industry has to offer. As a system integrator and services company, we also have a large team of engineers. This allows us to use our internal support team to staff our large integration projects as needed and have the talent pool several layers deep. Our training of our staff surpasses all our competitors, ensuring that our engineers are top talent in our industry. Today, automation is assisting many companies in dealing with issues such as manpower, hiring and keeping employees, dealing with eliminating redundant tasks, eliminating dangerous tasks. Our automation systems solve these issues and many more. If you are an end user looking for a partner in your automation journey, AMT will be a fit for you. We can even start with assisting in determining where automation fits best in your facility.